Osteoporosis is scurvy of the bone, not calcium deficiency. Osteoporosis is a bone weakening disease which results from an inability to produce bone mass after bone cells die off naturally. It renders bones too brittle. They can be broken by minor falls. In most cases, people suffering from osteoporosis are advised to take calcium and vitamin D supplements and even problematic drugs called bisphosphonates such as alendronate, risedronate, abandronate, zoledronic acid, which leads to even more brittle bones that break under normal loads. Yet this approach is irrational and in some cases harmful. Namely, although calcium levels are very low in osteoporotic bone, increasing the calcium intake via supplementation does not improve osteoporotic bone health. But why? One hypothesis regarding the nature of osteoporosis is that it is scurvy of the bones. This means if one increases vitamin C levels and restores the balance of antioxidants, the bones are able to regenerate and create a strong, healthy new structure. Therefore, vitamin C intake can potentially help reverse osteoporosis. Antioxidants prevent oxidation in the bones or anywhere in the body. So the bones will suffer due to the increased oxidative stress in the case of a lack of antioxidants in the body. Remember that. Supplements are no replacement for good nutrition. In the case of proper normal balance and nutrients, the matrix of bone will incorporate calcium and nutrients where they belong. Instead of supplements with calcium or Fosamax, a more constructive regime could include vitamin C, vitamin K2, vitamin D3, boron, silica and magnesium, as they are more successful in preventing fractures and maintaining bone health. Calcium ultimately ends up in the muscles of the heart valves and the blood vessels, leading to cardiovascular diseases, but the proper ratio of vitamin C, D3 and K2 will direct the calcium from food to where it belongs, not in your heart and blood vessels. Vitamin C is crucial in collagen synthesis. It mineralizes the bone and stimulates bone forming, dampens oxidative stress and prevents excessive degradation of bone by inhibiting bone absorbing cells. In the case of its low levels, the opposite happens. Osteoclasts, the bone cells that degrade bone, proliferates, and osteoblasts, the bone cells that lay down mineral and new bone, are not formed. Researchers have found that the seniors with fractured bones have significantly lower levels of vitamin C in their blood. Therefore, take vitamin C supplements as they are the most non-toxic and safe supplements available. Adults should take 2 to 5 grams per day of calcium ascorbate as a general supplement. You can also use liposomal vitamin C but avoid ester C or calcium ascorbate. If you opt for the natural plant-based source, choose camu. Holistic practitioners maintain that vitamin K2 is important in cardiovascular and bone health, and vitamin D3 with a level of around 50 to 70 mg per ml will boost immunity and improves health.